Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 crashing on PC. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to switch between Vulkan, DirectX 11, and DirectX 12. So to do that, you'll just need to follow these instructions right here. So first, just run the Baldur's Gate 3 launcher and then just locate the play button and click on to the settings or this gear icon right here. And then just choose DirectX 11 if Vulkan was set or vice versa. And then after that, you can now play the Baldur's Gate 3 and see if it fixes crashing problem or not. But if this solution didn't fix the problem, you can just go ahead and continue with the next solution. So that is to update the graphics driver. So to fix the VG3 crashing, you update the GPU driver as it helps in most situations. So it worked on others before, and you can also um, fix the stuttering and the block screen problems before getting the GPU driver version. So below you can go ahead and follow the steps. So first, press the Win plus X button and then go to the device manager and expand display adapters by double clicking on it. So right click onto the display driver and choose the update driver and click onto the search automatically for drivers and complete the process, and after that you can just restart your PC. And that's it for this video. So remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps right here at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.